So currently we are focused on the 1B population, which includes individuals who are greater than 65 and older because of their increased risk. And this is an effort to make sure that as we are getting the vaccine out, that we ensure that we are penetrating those communities that are being disproportionately impacted. So among minority communities, over 70% of our hospitalizations have been from those communities, and over 60% of the deaths have also been in those communities. So in this effort, we're actually partnering with the faith community, making the vaccine accessible to people who may not readily have transportation and may experience other access issues that make it hard for them to get the vaccine. In general, for the public, if you're trying to pre-register and you don't have computer access, we'd ask that you call 664-SHOT and we'll try to help get you assistance for that effort. Coming soon, we are also partnering with the city, particularly the Parks and Rec Department, and looking at how we can actually go into communities and directly help individuals pre-register for the vaccine. So it's very important that individuals understand that each pre-registration and followed by a registration link is tied to one dose of vaccine. So it's one registration per dose of vaccine. Very important. Please do not share your registration or your appointment times so that we can ensure when you show up that you will have vaccine waiting for you.